I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone.
You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that make me crazy. Here we go again.
Show me what I can't see when the spark in my eyes is gone. You got me on my knees, I'm your one man call. Cross my heart and hope to die. Promise you I'll never leave your side.
I walk alone, I walk alone. My shadow's the only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone.
Tricked out swag, yeah, we keep it the same. Mad dog, dub in the back of the rain. Ain't no bub, baby, got bills to pay. Yeah, I'm getting fucked up as I'm changing lanes. Oh my god, I'm one of a kind. I'ma smash it up, it's about that time. I'll be back to the party by the end of the night. But my whole god needs it, I needs mine. Cause the funny man is just so damn sexual. The ass on my mind is so damn edible. Feast your eyes, girl, I'm so delectable. Dick like Hulk, yeah, they call me incredible. You got your dress pulled up, I see you all around. I know you ain't no slut, but I know you're a son.
I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a damn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of poison rationality. I chime in, haven't you people ever heard of closing a damn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of
I am not as fine as I seem. Pardon me for yelling, I'm telling you green gardens are not what's growing in my psyche. It's a different me, a difficult to beast, a feasting umber down trees. Freeze frame, please let me paint a mental picture portrait. Something you won't forget, it's all about my forehead and how it is a door that holds back contents that make Pandora's box contents look non-violent. Behind my eyelids are islands of violence. My mind shipwrecked, this is the only land my mind could find. I did not know it was such a violent island, full of tidal waves, suicidal crazed lions. They're trying to eat me, blood running down the chin. And I know that I can fight or I can let the lion win. I begin to assemble what weapons I can find, cause sometimes to stay alive you gotta kill your mind.
Something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better
my time's elapsed, now all I do is live with so much fate. I've wished for this, I've bitched at that, I've left behind this little fact: you cannot kill what you did not create. I've gotta say what I've gotta say, and then I swear I'll go away, but I can't promise you'll enjoy the noise. I guess I'll save the best for last. My future seems like one big past. You're left with me cause you left me no choice.
Finally, someone let me out of my cage. Now, time for me is nothing cause I'm counting no age. Nah, I couldn't be there. Nah, you shouldn't be scared. I'm good at repairs and I'm under each snare. Intangible, bet you didn't think, so I command you to. Panoramic view, look, I'll make it all manageable. Pick and choose, sit and lose, all you different crews. Chicks and dudes who you think is really kicking tunes. Picture you getting down.
With the lights out, it's dangerous. Here we are now, entertain us. I'm happy, feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. And never mind that, no, you heard. It's just the beast under your bed, in your closet, in your head. Exit lights, into night. Grain of sand.
Put me back together, or separate the skin from bone. Leave me on the pieces, then you can't leave me alone. Tell me the reality is better than the dream, but I found out the hard way.
Nothing is what it seems. Holding on. Why is everything so heavy? Holding on. So much more than I can carry.